Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm gonna try to go ahead and make this quick. I'm doing a little update video on the account. We are currently floating like between $5 to $6. I'm not gonna lie, yesterday it had me on my toes because I was down. I ain't gonna hold you. My account originally got $28.63 because I did take like $1 and something lost. I know last time it was at $30. That shit went all the way down to negative $22. Not gonna lie, I had a lot of entries stacked, and it started pulling back heavy. So with that being said, happy holidays. I should have said that when I first started the video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, whatever the case may be. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but we are now finally floating between $5 and $6 profit. Once price hits my take profits for, well, hit the price point that I'm expecting it to go to for some of these, this account should be well over $200 because I'm gonna continue to have, re-entries or whatever on the way up. But if price continues to push the way I expect it to push, then we definitely gonna get this account to over $200. So I'm just holding these trades. There's no point in, like, I don't know, sitting through pullbacks and shit the way that I've been doing lately is kind of crazy. That shit was scary. That shit, my margin was being called, bro. Like, I thought he was about to start closing trades, and I was like, where we at in price? If price want to actually sell off, it's gonna just drop below this price, because it's been ranging in that same price. I'm in NZDUSD, by the way. It's been ranging in that price for a minute now. So I'm like, man, if price gonna sell through there, it's just gonna sell through there. It still could potentially sell through there. I don't control the markets. I can't, you know what I'm saying? I don't predict anything. I just follow what's going on. And so far, where we are in price, we are at a very, very, very strong 3-year low demand, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just like, well, price keeps touching this zone. It's not going no lower. And I got another entry in, close out some, re-entered again, close out some. So I got a good amount of entries running. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. So y'all can't really see it, but yeah, I got a lot of entries. Anywho, I'm gonna be swing trading now with these. So instead of me entering, closing, like right now I could close out and I'd be at like $34 and some change, but I'm gonna just hold these because, for one, the entries I got are really good entries, especially if price is actually about to boom to the upside. So I'm gonna see how the day close. Hopefully we close, in profit still, and it don't pull back down again, because that's really what's been going on. It's been going up, coming down, going up, coming down, because it's still in between a certain range. So I'm just gonna let the market do what it do. I'm not gonna mess with anything else. The interest I got is, I feel like they're secure, and then I have some buy stops once price do break another high. We're about to tap $7 profit. So hopefully the pullbacks and all that shit is finally done, and we can start seeing a move to the upside. Anybody that's new into trading or want to get into it, I ain't gonna lie, it's the time is now, man. Like, a lot of folks been probably hesitant about it or wanting to get into it or second guessing it. I'm telling y'all, bro, the time is definitely now. This the same dollar account. I got another account. I ain't gonna lie, I made some more accounts. I have another account running the same trades, NZDUSD. That's currently up like maybe $8 now, because my entries was a little different on this account. It would have been more. Yeah, this account is up $7.80 something. It would have been more because I had hella entry set, but it did another pullback while I was asleep, and I didn't secure the gains that it did give, and it kind of took I don't want to say half the account. Well, probably half the account, because it was like 16 and then it's like 8 or whatever. But that was, like I said, due to me having more entries and price doing another pullback afterwards. But yeah, so my entries on here, I'll probably try to pull it up on the computer to show y'all the actual entries or whatever. That way I can see where I'm at in price, and then y'all will kind of get an idea of why I took those entries at that price. So, but yeah, again, this is the same account. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna keep growing it for y'all, and hopefully we can just close above, in profit and not have to sit through any more drawdowns any longer. I'm pretty sure that price is going to push one more time before the market closed, and I'm hoping it doesn't do what it did last time. So originally, the reason I had to sit in drawdown for so long, I had some buy stops set, and when the market closed, the spread had widened up and it activated the buy stop, and then it dropped, like the candle had dropped heavy, and I was like, dang. I was like, I should have waited a little bit, because when I trade, I don't be thinking about like spreads and stuff, because I usually don't have my trades I don't hold them that long to where the market close out, for their little hour and then open back up. I usually don't be holding them that long. And so when that happened, I was like, damn, this might fuck up my account. And I was like, I'm gonna just hold and see what happens. And my whole thing was, I'm already down negative $20 like all together. And I was like, if this shit goes any lower, that's it. Luckily, it stopped right at a certain price, didn't go no lower, and we chilling. So, like I said, we bouncing between $4, $5, $6, and yeah. So, hopefully, like I said, we can get a big push. It's not gonna be today. I know for a fact not gonna be today. It's probably gonna be sometime next week, middle of next week. I'm just needing price to continue to move in that direction. I just need price to continue to move in that direction to where it's like I'm not having to sit through no more drawdowns. So hopefully we can continue to get this push. I'm just looking at the trades right now. Hopefully we continue to get this push to the upside, and you know, this series don't end off with me blowing the fucking account. I got a lot of entries. I did close some out because I was like, if I close out now and do another pullback, it won't be as much on my account. So once stuff got into profit, I closed a couple out. So it was like maybe 20 cent here, 15 cent here, 10 cent there. But I was like, the only reason I did that because I saw how price kept pulling back, going up, pulling back, going up. And I didn't want to pull back one good time and then try to spike up, because if I had to pull it out too much with all those entries, I definitely would have blew the account. Because it went from, you know, the balance was $28, but my equity was $6.80. I should have been recording and screenshotting, but I didn't think about it. I was just like, damn, I hope this bitch don't blow. I ain't gonna lie. I was just like, if it blow, it blow, but thank God it didn't. So, again, I will open up NZDUSD on the charts, and I will show y'all what my entries are, and we will go from there. I'm just show y'all my new entries that I got at the bottom. The top entries, I'll pull them up too, but those are just like, I think I had gotten those yesterday at market open, if I'm not mistaken, because I was like, I'm not gonna trade no more. And then I was like, let me check out NZDUSD, and I'm like, damn, this shit is at a good ass price. And so I went ahead and took the trades, and I was like, fuck it, if it go, it go, if it don't, it don't. Again, the links to my Telegram, the links to my Instagram, and Discord will be in the description if y'all want to join it and chop it up with us. I will start doing London session on Fridays, and I will probably make those a video as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the charts, and then I will catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, hopefully my computer don't lag, because I don't know why it's telling me to connect my Webull account. But so we are currently on NZDUSD. This is what I'm trading. I'm about to put all my entries on the screen for y'all so y'all can see. We're currently up $6.78. So my first entry, I'm gonna just do it with this line. I'm gonna make it green. First entry is here. I'm gonna put in the exact coordinates. So we have 6187.7. So boom, that's entry number 1. Unlock that. We have 6254. Like I said, I got a lot of entries. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. 6254. 254. Boom. So we got an entry there. Damn, need some good ass entries. I ain't gonna cap. Jeez Louise. All right, market booming right now. So, and then we have 6279. I don't know, bro. Just bear with me, you know. I know I'll be having a lot of entries. I told y'all last stack my trades to maximize my profits. But I say 6279. So boom, we got an entry there, and then we have 6338. Don't make fun of me. 6338, and then we got one is right by where price is, so I'm just waiting on the market to continue to move. This 338 one is right where market is, and then I'm gonna show y'all what my buy stops are as well. So we just need price to push up here, and I'll feel more secure with this, because this is where I ain't gonna say a lot of entries are, but it's like at least 4 right here. Don't judge me. And then we have one at the top. It was 6522, and then the market dropped on me. So that was my original first entry. So I'm glad I only did one, because if I had a stack at that point, I would have been screwed. I'm not gonna lie, that account would have been over with. So I only did one here, which is 6522.
22. So this was my original entry right here, right? So price pushed up a little bit and then it dropped off here. Price got below these points and I was like, okay, cool. If price is going to continue to drop, I want to see an actual, break or whatever. It never got below here. And then even when price dropped here, it stopped at this point and it gave this big bullish candle here. I got in off of this price here. Let's go down to like the 15 just to get a better view. So I got in off of this price here. I'm not going to say too much of why I got in right there, but I got in here. And then I got some more entries on the way up. As you can see, price kept coming back down, playing around the same area. And for one, I'm gonna go to the higher time frame and I will point this out to people. We are at so here, boom, we got these 3 touches in this same area, right? So price touched here, left a wick, came up, and it did like a little pullback. So I'm expecting price to continue to push it upside for one to clear this news candle that we had. It was some I think it was FOMC event. I remember I had caught this sale in the previous video, and that's what got the account up to $30 something. And so now we're here in price right now, and these are my entries. So I'm going to be holding these entries up till 57928, which is up here. 579. I'm gonna just put it on the screen. It'll be a little bit easier. 57928. Now, once price hits this, once the market hits this price, 57928, depending on how it plays out, once it hits that price, I will possibly be holding my trades even longer, considering I got in at such a low price. And I'm gonna try to catch that that yearly, yearly trend, whatever the case may be. Let's just say if the market continues to go in that direction. Now, if price gets here, starts playing around and, shows that it's want to continue going down, I will close out my trades. Because like I said, once price hits that, then the account definitely will be over $200. So that's my target for now. And then if it shows that it still want to push up and leave, bullish, momentum, then I'll continue to hold. Overall, I do want to see the market push and be bullish for the year. That will definitely work out in my favor, and this account will hit $1,000 within probably around February. And the only reason I say that is because I know how I trade and I know the lot size that I will be using. So with that being said, that's that. I'm not gonna have no like full-on breakdown about everything, but that's where we are right now. Like I said, I don't know how the market is going to close today. I'm hoping that the market closed above this price or even above this price. That would be nice to get back above this price and close up here. But again, I don't control the market. I don't know what's going to happen. But it would be nice to see the market close above this. We have like maybe 3 hours left until the market is closed for the weekend. So whatever happens until then, as long as we stay above here, I'm good, because this one is like negative $1 and some change. And the reason I trade NZDUSD is because it's the cheapest major pair you can trade, and with the broker that I use, it allows me to use a lot of it gives me a high leverage, so I'm able to stack a lot, and price can pull back a little bit or whatever the case may be, and I'll be fine. Thank God the market didn't break under this, because if so, this account would have been done. Again, anything can happen within these next few hours. Let's just say, well, for me personally, I want to see the market continue to push to the upside. I'm very confident they can push to the upside. I really need to see it break out of this, which, if we done already broke out of this little downtrend here. So I feel safe with that as well. And then this to me was just a little pullback. We got a double bottom here. Turtle soup and all that stuff played a part in everything. So I'm very confident that the market's going to continue to push to the upside. I'm just, like I said, I don't predict it or anything. I use what I've learned over the years and applied it. Again, this is the same account. We're currently floating $7.04 right now. So that being said, I'm about to flip back over to the camera. Hopefully y'all enjoy these little breakdowns. I don't know if y'all expected me to make a new video or not, but I told y'all I was gonna be doing it. So back to the camera I go, and I will see y'all in a little bit.
All right, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the little breakdown, man. We currently still around $7.56, whatever the case may be. The account should hit 40 or 50 bucks by the middle of next week, as long as the price keeps pushing in our direction. Again, for all the new people who want to get into trading, find you somebody who you can trust, somebody who you can rely on, somebody who can show you that they trade, and you know, whatever the case may be. If you want to learn from me, again, Discord, Telegram, Instagram, just hit me up, let me know what you're trying to do. We can go from there. The goal again for this account, man, is $1,000, bro. So once this hits $1,000, I'm gonna end the little series off, and then we're gonna decide what we're gonna do next with that account. So with that being said, my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully y'all enjoying these videos. Or if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. I dropped a video not too long ago and it didn't really hit the algorithm, but it's okay, it's whatever. Hopefully people will catch it later on. I'm also, again, doing this for myself to catch the things that I'm good at, the things that I'm not good at. When it comes to recording your progress and keeping up with what you do, it's kind of like journaling in the same way, you know, writing your stuff down, why you took the shade, why you did this, why you did that. If I make videos on it, I can actually go back and see my thought process at the time. I'm figuring out what sessions I'm good at trading, what sessions I'm not good at trading. A lot of folks will say, oh, if you're a trader, you should trade whatever. Me personally, I'm really good at trading London session. That's where I really get my entries at. I can understand and read that a lot better than New York. New York do a whole bunch of different stuff that I'm not used to, because since I started, I was trading London session because I trade GBP/USD. But yeah, man, this journey is gonna be pretty cool. Y'all get to see me grow accounts, blow accounts, get mad, whatever the case may be. Whatever happens, I'm gonna continue to post. If this shit blows, I'm gonna start over again. I'm not gonna start with $1, because that shit was fucking rough. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how many more times I can do that. But if that's something y'all want to see me do again, I'm gonna regret saying this. If that's something y'all want to see me do again, comment down below. I'll start up a brand new account with $1.55 exactly, and we're gonna try our best to get on and grow it again. This has been a very tough journey, but I've also been learning a lot, so I'm glad I started doing this. And the account right now is currently at $8.47. I wish I could pop it up on the screen for y'all. I'm gonna figure out how to do all that later. But yeah, so the account right now is at $8.47. With that being said, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy it again, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.